Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you can get cheaper shipping options on Pandabuy for free. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So the first method, and this is working to this day, December 2023, is to enter the code NIC. Now, I actually checked with Pandabuy and a couple of users on this platform, and they said that this code actually works. Now, I myself don't actually have an account, but the way to do this is once you log into your Pandabuy account, you want to navigate to the top right corner of your screen that would normally be found here. Click on your profile icon and click on Wallet. Now, once you click on Wallet, it'll redirect you to a page where you get to enter payment method as well as a redeem coupon or redeem code section. Now, once you're there, you simply want to type Nick and you'll get a big discount off your next shipping order, and it still works. Now, the second way, and this is actually a viable way of getting a couple of cheaper deals on Pandabuy, is to go to this site right here, wethrift.com/panda. Now, this site generates all of the latest and available redeem codes slash coupons that will work with Pandabuy. So here's one, Panda London disc at Panda. So if it shows up here, it means that it's actually working. Duvet 15. So I'm assuming this is a 15% off discount on a type of comforter or duvet or whatever. Here's a couple of others. These actually do work. And every time you refresh this page, new codes will come up every now and then, as you can see here. So Panda 10, someone in Netherlands just used this. It's a so what wethrift.com/panda is a tracker app that shows you which discount codes are working and which aren't. So yeah, that's how you can get discounts on your shipping code or shipping fees on Pandabuy. So if this worked for you guys, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.